Feeling like you're constantly playing catch up with your car payments? Ever wish you could just handle everything on your own time, from your own couch? Well, you can. Managing your Ally vehicle account online is easier and more powerful than you might think. From setting up automatic payments to checking your balance, you're just a few clicks away from taking full control. First, you'll want to log in. If this is your first time, you'll need to set up your username and password using the information from your account. Once you're in, you'll land on a dashboard that gives you a quick snapshot of your vehicle accounts. This is your home base. From here, you can see your current balance, your next payment due date, and your most recent transactions. The most common reason people log in is to make a payment, and Ally gives you a few great options. You can make a one-time payment with a checking or savings account, which is perfect if you want to pay a little extra 1 month. But to really simplify your life, you should set up auto pay. This feature automatically deducts your monthly payment from your bank account on a day you choose. No more writing checks, no more stamps, and best of all, no more late fees. You can also view your payment history to track what you've paid and when. But it's not just about payments. Your online account is also where you can get key details about your loan. Need to see a payoff quote? It's right there in your account. You can also manage your communication preferences, like setting up email and text alerts to remind you when a payment is due. And for those on the go, don't forget about the Ally mobile app. It's an easy and secure way to access all these same features right from your phone. You can make payments, check your FICO score, and get alerts, all while you're out and about. Whether you're on a computer or your phone, managing your Ally vehicle account online puts you in the driver's seat of your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.